Good morning, students. Students, let us continue with scene 3. Okay? And as you know, both the Wazir and the Emperor could not find anything on the loom, and the weavers were only acting as if they were weaving a beautiful dress. Actually, they were not doing anything and they were cheating the Emperor, who was really foolish, isn't it? Scene 3. The great day of celebration arrives. Now there is a function in the kingdom, and on that day the king will be wearing that beautiful dress, that fancy dress, that exotic dress, that fabulous color dress, and it is really a masterpiece. He will be wearing it. The emperor entered the weaver's room with his men. Now as you can see in the picture, that the emperor enters the weaver's room with his men. Of course his guards are with him. The weavers pretend to be holding a dress in their hand. They were pretending, again they were acting as if they were holding a dress, like this. They were taking the dress and giving it to the emperor. No one can see the dress, but everyone praises it. So nobody could see the dress, but everybody was praising about the dress, because all of them thought that if they tell that they have not seen anything on the loom, they will be found that everybody will think that they were stupid, and they will be taken, means that from the job they will be thrown out. So they did not want to tell anyone that this is nothing. The weavers are actually very stupid and they were making fool of them. Everybody, now as you can see in the picture, the emperor was wearing nothing actually, not the beautiful dress, and he has come out of his palace, and everybody says, it's a masterpiece. Everybody kept on saying it's a masterwork of an extraordinary quality. Now actually what happened, the people in the kingdom were afraid that if they say something bad about the emperor, they would be killed. At that time the kings and the emperors used to punish the people if they were against them. So they kept on praising, but the emperor was not wearing the beautiful or fancy dress. The emperor removes his clothes. The weaver act as if they are dressing the emperor in the new clothes. So he take off his cloth, dress which were wearing, and the weavers made him wear the dress, only acting. But actually there was not a single piece of cloth was there, and they were not making him wear the dress. So the emperor was not wearing anything. Not wearing anything means not wearing that fancy dress, okay, that new clothes. The emperor stands in front of the mirror and admires himself. Just imagine, he's standing in front of the mirror and admiring the new dress he's wearing. He's thinking that it is invisible dress which nobody can see. But if I tell that there is nothing there, people in this kingdom will think that the emperor is stupid, and his enemies will come to know, and he will be thrown out of his kingdom. Outside, a crowd has assembled in a street to see the emperor's new dress. Now everybody had heard about that the best dress in the world has been made by the two weavers, and so there was a crowd outside the palace. They had gathered there to see the emperor's best dress. Trumpets blow. Trumpet means children, they use musical instrument. They used to blow at that time, telling the people that the emperor has arrived. The emperor enters the street marching ahead of his men. So his men were behind him, the guards were behind him, and he was marching in this cloth. Okay? The crowd is surprised. Among the crowd is a boy in his father's arms. Everyone around him praises the emperor. Emperor was praised by everybody, but nobody could dare to say that the emperor was not wearing a dress, the new dress which the weavers have promised to make for him. And in that crowd there were many people. Out of them there was a boy in his father's arms. He was, taken by his father. A woman says, "Wow, the emperor's dress is wonderful." Yes, I can see it, I'm smart. So everybody thought that if they say that there is nothing there, they will be termed as stupid and labeled as somebody who doesn't know anything, and they will be thrown out of their job or be punished by the king. So they kept on saying, no, no, I am smart because I have seen the dress. So because the weavers have told that those who are not intelligent, they will not see and the dress will disappear, vanish. The man says, yes, I can see it too. I am smart too. The dress is enchanting. So they kept on telling each other that yes, we have seen the dress. I am smart. Okay, and enchanting means very attractive dress. That type of dress, gorgeous, intricate design, attractive, masterpiece. I don't know how many more adjectives will be used to describe the dress, and which is invisible. The boy who was in his father's arms, he says, but daddy, the emperor isn't wearing anything. Look, he has no clothes on. But daddy, all are praising the dress, but the emperor is not wearing anything. He has no clothes on his body. There is a hush. The crowd looks at the boy shocked. Then suddenly everyone starts talking to each other. So first there was a silence. Hush means a silence, because somebody had dared to say the truth. Okay, and that was a small boy, because a small boy doesn't feel scared of anybody, or neither he feels that somebody will call him stupid and be punished and all that thing. So he tells the truth, and everybody looks at the boy very shocked. How could the boy say? Then suddenly everybody was started talking to each other, and there was a lot of commotion and chaos and all that. Crowd whispers, the child is right. They start, yes, you are correct, the boy is correct. Then the crowd first whisper means to talk very softly within, Chinese whisper, like this. And then they started talking aloud, means their voice was raised. The emperor isn't wearing anything. The emperor and his men realized the crowd was right, and then the emperor understood that those two weavers just made him a fool, and they were right, and the emperor is embarrassed. He's feeling ashamed. Okay, and the emperor trots on. Trots on means to walk on. Faking pride as the crowd spilled in its side, laughing. Now trots on as if nothing has happened, walking to show his pride. He was feeling, oh, nothing has happened, but inside he was feeling very, very embarrassed, very, very ashamed, and he walked away from the crowd feeling ashamed, but outside he wanted to keep his pride because he is the emperor. And the crowd spills its side laughing, and everybody starts laughing. Oh, what a fool the emperor is! Splits its side. Laughing means laugh a lot at somebody. Oh, what a foolish hour! What a foolish emperor he is. He doesn't know that he's not wearing any dress and he has come out in this condition out of his palace. So everybody made food. So children, you can see that even if the emperor also, you have to be intelligent, wise, and see what others are doing. Otherwise, anyone can make fool of you. Okay? Thank you, children.